There is a place on Earth where sound bends, light dies, and pressure becomes a physical force. Not metaphorical pressure, but weight. A place where steel collapses like paper, and where a single human breath would be crushed into silence. No warning signs mark the entrance. No border separates the safe from the fatal. Only depth. Tonight, we descend, layer by layer, into the most hostile environments on our planet. Not imagined worlds, not alien planets, but parts of the ocean humans can never survive. At first, the ocean seems familiar. Waves, wind, light. But even here, survival is an illusion. In certain regions, the sea becomes a moving mountain range. Rogue waves, walls of water taller than buildings, rise without warning, then vanish as if they were never real. These waves form when energy stacks perfectly, like invisible hands piling force upon force. For centuries, sailors described them as myths, until satellites proved they were real. And life here adapts not by fighting the chaos, but by yielding to it. Some seabirds lock their wings and let storms carry them for thousands of miles, using hurricanes like highways. Yet scientists still don't fully understand why rogue waves appear where they do, or why they vanish so quickly. And this is only the entrance. Below us, sunlight begins to fracture. At 200 meters down, the ocean enters permanent dusk. This is the mesopelagic zone, a place where light exists but no longer behaves. Colors disappear first. Red vanishes, then yellow, until everything becomes blue, and then black. Here, pressure quietly tightens, already strong enough to collapse human lungs. And yet, life glows. Fish produce their own light through bioluminescence, tiny chemical reactions that flash like living stars. Some use it to hunt, others to hide, some to confuse predators by releasing clouds of light, like underwater smoke bombs. But this raises a question scientists still struggle with. If light attracts attention in the dark, why does so much life here choose to glow? We haven't reached the answer yet. We sink deeper. At 1,000 meters, sunlight is gone forever. This is the bathypelagic zone, an environment so pressurized that every square inch carries the weight of a small car. A human body here would not drown. It would implode. Organs collapse. Airspaces vanish. Death is instant, but life adapts by abandoning rigidity. Creatures here are soft, gelatinous, almost unfinished, because hardness is a weakness under pressure. The anglerfish drifts through darkness, using a glowing lure grown from its own flesh. Females are giants. Males are parasites, fusing permanently to the female's body, becoming little more than reproductive organs. Why did evolution choose this extreme solution? Scientists still don't know why isolation at depth leads to such radical biological strategies. And the deeper we go, the stranger survival becomes. At 4,000 meters, we reach the abyssal zone. This is one of the flattest, quietest places on Earth. No seasons, no storms, almost no movement. Food is so rare that life survives on marine snow, dead skin, waste, and fragments drifting down from the world above. Some creatures wait months between meals. Others live for centuries, barely aging. The pressure here is over 400 times what we feel at the surface. Human technology struggles to last hours. Yet life persists, slow, patient, and almost immortal. But scientists still don't understand how metabolism functions so efficiently here, or how these organisms repair damage in a place where energy barely exists. And below even this silent plain, there is a final descent. At more than 6,000 meters, we enter the Hadal zone, named after the Greek underworld. These are ocean trenches, cracks in the planet's crust deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Pressure here is unimaginable. A human would be flattened into a thin biological film. Yet life still exists. Snailfish with translucent bodies, amphipods that metabolize heavy metals, microbes feeding on chemicals toxic to surface life. Here, survival depends on biochemistry so alien it resembles science fiction. Even more unsettling, human pollution has been found here. Plastic, industrial chemicals, traces of civilization in places humans have never visited. What does that mean for ecosystems we barely understand? Scientists still don't know how deep sea life will respond to changes originating far above their world. And we've explored less than 5% of this reel. As we rise back toward the surface, the ocean closes behind us, unchanged, indifferent. The deadliest parts of the sea are not violent because they hate us. They are deadly because they were never made for us. And perhaps that's the most unsettling truth. On our own planet, entire worlds exist where humans cannot go, cannot adapt, and cannot truly understand. The deeper we explore, the more the ocean reminds us. Earth is not conquered. It is not finished revealing itself. And beneath the waves, the unknown is still very much alive.